Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to fake location on WhatsApp 2023. So, this tutorial will help you to actually change or fake your location that you send in WhatsApp. So, how to do that? First of all, I will need you guys to go to App Store and get WhatsApp in the first place, which is pretty easy. Just search for it, WhatsApp, and of course, make sure that you are downloading WhatsApp, this one, so WhatsApp Messenger. Here you can update it or not, it depends on you. Now after you finish with this step, I need you guys to go to settings, and from here guys, go all the way down and search for the application that you want to fake your location in it. So in our case, which is WhatsApp, here it goes. So click on it, and here we'll find this page full of options, so of the access that WhatsApp got from location, contacts, photos, local network, microphone, speech recognition, and so on. Now basically what I'm going to do is click on location, and here guys you will find that there is four options: never, ask till next time, and so on. This one is for access, but the one that we are interested in that will help us fake our location, it is this precise location. So basically this precise location, what it does is it allows applications to use your specific location, so it determines where you are specifically. With this setting turned off, apps can only determine your approximate location, so they can't know where you are exactly, but they will know where you may be, where you might not be. So they will keep like giving probabilities, and they will put a point like using their data instead of like giving your exact location. So yeah guys, this is really useful to actually fake your location on WhatsApp. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you can fake your location on WhatsApp application on iOS. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.